take fire for Mommy. Me take
Okay, baby.
fire.
Okay. Hi everyone, I just wanted to jump on real quick and to see how everyone's doing. Hope y'all are staying safe in this quarantined time that we're in. I just wanted to jump on and reassure you that I am still painting as much as I can. I have a video that is in the editing process and I have 3 paintings that are started that I just want to walk you through real quick. But I wanted to explain that the reason you haven't seen a video from me lately is I do have 2 very small children. I have a 2 and a 4-year-old. And I was only able to paint and edit a few hours a week while they were in daycare. Now that everybody's quarantined and we're all staying at home, they are home with me all the time. And it has been a challenge, to say the least, to even get into my studio. So I do want to just show you around and show you what I am working on and a few exciting things that I have coming up for you that will be hopefully posted in the following weeks. So come on.
Hello. Me make fire.
Okay, good job. So a little sneak peek of what is right here on my palette or on my table easel at the moment. This is going to be a book cover that I am doing, and I am super excited about this. This is the very first book cover I have ever done. So that is about halfway complete. And the other thing that's sitting over here drying at the moment, I just worked a little bit of layers on it yesterday, so that it has a few more layers to go. But hopefully next week, this is the one that you're going to be seeing. And it's a bunch of clouds, and I'll teach you how to go about making the clouds. So hopefully that will be very interesting and awesome to see.
Mommy.
That is awesome, sweetheart. Then on my big easel that I have, the way I always break it up, I have a very intricate, detailed, big painting that I'm always working on. And then I always normally work on a smaller painting, something that I can just not focus so much on all of the details and all the intricate work that goes into such a large painting. So that's normally what I have. And so right here I have on my large easel is going to be a winter scene, and this is all in the background, and then this is going to be a river that comes and snowbanks on it. So I'm very excited with that, but that is still in the beginning stages, so that still has a long way to go. So all of these will be up on my channel, hopefully not very far along. So I just want to tell you that I am still painting, I am still editing. The next one I have up that is almost fully edited is
Mommy, are you?
The next one I have almost up is an edited version of how I clean my paintbrushes, because if you notice over here, I have my brushes that I normally just sit out. And sometimes when I can't get back to painting as fast as I would like to, the paint has a tendency to dry on them. Because of that, I have learned how to get hard paint off of brushes. And I'm super excited to share all that with you and how I clean my brushes in a non-toxic painting studio. Because if you follow me on Instagram or my Facebook, I just posted something. I was just painting yesterday, and my littlest one, my 2-year-old, took her hand and put paint on each one of her fingers, and when I went to get it off, it smeared all over her hands, and it got all over the sink, it got all over my clothes, it got everywhere. And that is the main reason I am a non-toxic painting studio, because of my kids. If you love painting with anything, acrylics, oils, whatever the painting thing is, but you don't like the fact that all the chemicals
Don't
and
forget toys.
If you don't like all the chemicals and the fumes that everything puts off, that video is going to be awesome because it does show you how to safely paint and use paints and colors and how to remove them without any harsh fumes or chemicals. So I'm super excited to show you all that. I hope you all are staying safe. I hope you all are having fun in this social distancing that we are having to go through. And if you need someone to talk to, I'm always here. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and follow me on my other social media platforms. Leave me a message, and I will love to get to know you. Till next time, guys. Bye.